Everyone says they want to be rich, but most people spend their lives chasing the wrong thing. We don't chase money, we chase value. Because when you understand how money moves, you don't have to run after it. It runs after you. During the 1800s California gold rush, thousands packed up everything they owned and ran to dig for gold. They dreamed of striking it rich. But the ones who truly made money weren't the miners, they were the suppliers. Levi Strauss made jeans for miners. Samuel Brannan sold the picks, pans, and supplies. While miners dug holes in the ground, they dug their way into history books. They didn't chase gold. They built around it. Fast forward to the 1990s, the internet boom. Everyone wanted to launch the next big website, hoping for digital gold. But the ones who built the infrastructure got the real money. Cisco built the routers. Microsoft made the software. Amazon sold the books everyone wanted to read. They weren't chasing trends. They were building systems that trends depend on. Today, we're in another gold rush, the AI era. Everyone's chasing viral apps, crypto coins, or quick fame. But the real wealth? It's being built quietly, by those who create the tools that builders need. The data tools, the automation systems, the prompts, and the communities that make others more efficient. That's where legacy lives, not in chasing hype, but in creating the foundation others stand on. The wealthy don't obsess over money, they obsess over value. They ask, what are people chasing, and how can I make it easier for them to get it? That's how money finds you. Because wealth doesn't come from speed, it comes from structure. When we stop running toward the bag and start building systems that fill it, that's when we step into true power. We're not just chasing dollars, we're building legacy. Because wealth isn't about what you earn, it's about what you create. Let's keep building, together.